Here I have Nissan Ariya Nismo, and let me show you how to show clock on the screen behind the steering wheel. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the left and right arrows. So let me use, for example, the right arrow a few times to highlight the settings. If you highlight the settings, let's press OK button to confirm it. And under the settings, you've got a few interesting settings that you can use, but right now we are looking for clock. So here I have clock. Let's just press OK to enter the clock. And now the first option is display. If you press the OK button again to highlight the orange light on the display, it will show the clock, as you can see. Now we don't have the clock. Now if you press OK button, we see the exact clock, exact hour, exact time. So that's it. Really helpful thing and useful feature to have right here. Okay, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.